Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and good. In this video I am going to show you a very beautiful crochet table runners. Today we are looking at beautiful crochet table runner designs that can add warmth, elegance and handmade charm to any home. Whether you are a beginner looking for inspiration or experienced crocheter searching for your next project, these amazing table runner ideas are sure to spark your creativity. A crochet table runner is more than just a decoration. It is a piece of art made with patience, creativity and love. It can completely transform a dining table, coffee table or console table into a beautiful focal point. Handmade crochet pieces always make thoughtful gifts for family and friends because every stitch carries a personal touch. A crochet table runner is more than just a decoration. Let's begin with classic lace table runners. Lace runner patterns never go out of style. Their delicate stitches create a light and elegant look that is perfect for both modern and traditional homes. White, ivory and cream yarn are popular choices because they match almost every interior style. A lace runner looks especially beautiful on wooden tables where the intricate stitch work stands out. If you prefer a more modern design, geometric crochet patterns are an excellent choice. Squares, diamonds and zigzag motifs create a clean and stylish appearance. Neutral shades like beige, grey and soft brown blend beautifully with contemporary home decor. These patterns are simple yet eye-catching. Floral crochet table runners bring the beauty of nature indoors. Tiny crochet flowers, leaves and vines create a fresh and cheerful design. Soft pastel colors like pink, lavender, mint green and baby blue are perfect for spring and summer decorations. Bright flowers can also make your dining space feel lively and welcoming. Round motifs are another timeless favorite. Individual crochet circles are joined together to create a unique table runner. Each motif can feature different stitch combinations, adding texture and interest. You can use one color for a classic look or multiple colors for a vibrant handmade masterpiece. Vintage inspired crochet table runners remain popular because they never lose their charm. Delicate pineapple motifs, shell stitches, and fan patterns remind us of traditional handmade lace. These beautiful designs are often passed down from one generation to another, making them meaningful family treasures. Minimalist table runners are perfect for people who love simple home decor. Clean stitch patterns with every little decoration create an elegant appearance. Solid colors like white, beige, grey or dusty blue offer a calm and sophisticated style that fits almost every dining room. Seasonal crochet table runners allows you to decorate your home throughout the year. During spring, choose floral and leaf patterns. Summer designs look wonderful in bright yellow, sky blue and coral shades. Autumn runners can include warm orange, brown, mustard and burgundy colors. Winter decorations become cozy with snowflake patterns and soft white yarn. Texture also plays an important role in crochet designs. Popcorn stitches, puff stitches, bobbles, and raised stitches add depth and dimension. These textured patterns create a luxurious handmade look without needing complicated color changes. Long farmhouse table runners have become increasingly popular. They are perfect for large dining tables and family gatherings. Neutral cotton yarn gives them a clean and natural appearance that complements rustic, country, and farmers' style homes. Cotton yarn is one of the best materials, durable for crochet runners because it is durable, easy to wash, and keeps its shape well. Mercerized cotton also adds a slight shine, making your finished project look even more elegant. Soft cotton blends are comfortable to work with and provide beautiful stitch definition. Color selection is another exciting part of every crochet project. Some people love classic white because it creates timeless appearance. So guys, I really hope that you liked these designs. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for